The Larson Electronics IND TBL BXR6 26.26.16 UVC 15X120V is a UV oven for cleaning packages, including from Amazon, UPS, FedEx, DHL, and more. This unit can kill 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores found on boxes, envelopes, and other types of packages. Order products online safely and quickly sanitize packages with this UV box without waiting days or weeks for harmful microbes to die. This UV oven can disinfect packages measuring up to 26 inches in length by 26 inches in width and 16 inches in height. With access to 15 UV lamps, this unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and can sanitize packages within minutes. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. A surface with 43% reflectance promotes UV light distribution and ensures maximum exposure. This UV oven has highly visible indicator lights for safe operation and comes with a timer. A non-removable wire drop basket inside the UV box protects items being sanitized from slipping and getting caught in the corners. This UV decontamination box is equipped with a kill switch. The kill switch consists of a pressure sensor that allows the box to power on while pressure is applied to the sensor by the lid of the box. When the pressure is removed by opening the lid, the UV lamps automatically shut off. This provides a further level of safety in case the box lid is open in the middle of a disinfection cycle. With a recommended 25-minute exposure time at full capacity, multiple devices can be purchased to clean several packages at the same time. This UV oven operates on 120 volts AC at 60 Hz. This UV decontamination box is equipped with 25 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an industrial-grade cord cap for easy connection to common wall outlets. Plug options include the following. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.